Hey there! Welcome to our yoga session today. Want to improve your flexibility without spending hours in the gym? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to unlock simple yoga stretches that will make you feel more flexible, relaxed, and ready to take on anything. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for some quick, effective stretches, I've got you covered. Yoga is not just about flexibility. It's about connecting with your body and mind. These stretches are designed to be accessible to everyone, no matter your skill level. Let's start with a classic, the downward dog. This stretch is fantastic for opening up the shoulders, hamstrings, and calves. Begin in a tabletop position with your hands and knees on the mat. Tuck your toes, and as you exhale, lift your hips up towards the ceiling, pushing your heels toward the ground. Feel the stretch along your back and legs. Hold here for 10-15 seconds, breathe deeply, and feel the stretch. It's a full body reset. This pose not only stretches your muscles but also helps to calm your mind. Remember to keep your fingers spread wide and press firmly into the mat. This will help distribute your weight evenly and protect your wrists. Now, let's move on to the cat-cow stretch. This is perfect for spinal flexibility and can help relieve tension in your back. On all fours, inhale as you drop your belly and lift your chest. That's the cow. And then exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin to your chest. That's the cat. Repeat this motion several times, synchronizing your breath with your movements. This stretch is not only great for your spine, but also helps to improve your posture and balance. It feels so good to release that built-up tension. Now let's do the seated forward fold. Sit with your legs extended, flex your feet, and slowly hinge at the hips to fold forward. This stretch targets your hamstrings and lower back. Don't worry if you can't touch your toes. Just breathe and feel the stretch along your hamstrings and lower back. The key is to go as far as your body allows without forcing it. With each exhale, try to deepen the stretch a little more. This pose is excellent for releasing tension in the lower back and improving flexibility in the legs. With just a few minutes of these stretches each day, you'll notice an improvement in your flexibility and overall mobility. And guess what? The more you practice, the easier it gets. Consistency is key. Make these stretches a part of your daily routine, and you'll see the benefits in no time. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, consistency is key. Keep stretching, keep breathing, and most importantly, keep enjoying your yoga journey. Namaste. Yoga is a journey, not a destination. Embrace each stretch, each breath, and each moment on your mat. Namaste. Keep stretching, keep breathing, and most importantly, keep enjoying your yoga journey. Namaste.